In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Wingstop promo codes. So this is pretty simple, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Wingstop promo code. Right here, you'll have to go to this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have plenty of promo codes that we can use in order to get some discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 30% of any catering orders that are $300 or more, all you need to do is just select this offer from right here, and this promo code will show up. You can copy the promo code from right here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, going back right here to our main search, we also have this website which is called retailminute.com, and as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, right here, if I want to get this 30% off discount, all I need to do is select this offer, and this is the promo code that showed up right here. I can simply copy the promo code and apply it on my next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.